Hey, what's up guys? This is the tutorial or wiring tutorial for the 22 LED strobe lights. Okay, now basically we just have two panels. They have 22 Gen 3 LEDs in each, and you get one control box. Just basically two flash modes, three wires. Of course, your black is your earth. The yellow represents a tri-flash, and the red one represents single flash, which is like flash left, flash right. Now to set it up, go two input points. Each LED has a clip, so this clips in. Do that. Do the same for the other one. Okay. Now these are 12 volt only, not 24 volt. You can put on a 24 volt source if you want to fire them, but it's up to you. But these are particular ones are 12 volt only. So we'll hook up the black, which will be earth in this case, and we'll go for red. Power. This particular set here is one's red and one's blue, but they do come in white, amber. We can get two red and two blue. We can get four and just run it off like a four-way or four-input controller. This one's only two, obviously, but yeah. But we'll hook up. Sorry, these wires are particularly short, and really stripped any extra off to get this to hook up. Otherwise, it's better. Touch them together, everything will be all good. But yeah, let's see how these look. Yeah, that's this one of the two flash modes. I think that's tri-flash. If you want to connect it to the other one, we just simply connect the yellow wire, and we have the double flash left right for the two flash mode controller. So that's pretty much the 22 LED strobe lights.